What song?
Make Someone Happy by Jimmy John.
It's so important.
I don't know who this is.
Someone happy.
I remember this from the commercial.
Make just one someone happy. Make just one heart to heart you. One smile that changes you.
This reminds me of Paranormal Activities. Are we gonna die right now because someone's always recording? Ooh!
What?
I have sweethearts.
Oh my gosh. Where did you get them?
I got them at CVS.
Nice.
They were on sale. They were 29 cents because Valentine's Day's over. And I'm kind of craving a snackaroni, so.
But you just ate.
I know. But I want a snackaroni.
You want a snackaroni?
Yeah, I want a snack.
A smack.
Snack. Oh, I've got hearts everywhere. Owie. Okay. I hurt myself for a moment.
Good job.
This one says, love wins.
Wait. Oh, you can't even see it. How's it taste? Isn't that the crappy, isn't that the disgusting flavor?
Because it was the sour ones.
Oh.
These are the normal ones.
I like the sour ones.
I don't.
I do. What?
Try and get pink one.
Oh.
Oh, there's only purple. This one says, I love you.
I love you too.
Wait.
Can I get it from your mouth? Aww.
Oh my god. It's raining!
It's raining, man!
It's louder.
Hallelujah, it's raining, man.
Look at all this rain. And it's sunny.
Street. Right here.
Hey, girl with the wheelchair.
I just noticed, even though we're like far away from home, like the streets are different.
They are. I told you, it's a different vibe every time we go.
But it reminds me of Florida.
Turn left onto Linden Avenue, then turn left onto East 3rd Street.
Look at even the light. Look how, what is it called? The street lights are yellow.
Am I in the right lane? Yeah.
Oh, it's for the bike lane.
Bike lane, right lane.
My goodness.
My goodness. Oh my goodness.
Oh, shh. I dropped my phone.
Oh, shit.
I sound like those birds.
Turn left onto East 3rd Street.
Look, it's me.
Turn left onto
Oh, wait,
East
can you see me?
3rd Street. Turn left onto East 3rd Street.
Continue on East 3rd Street for 3/4 of a mile.
It started to rain so
For
hard.
3/4 of a mile. How do you say raining men in Spanish?
I don't know. Here, eat it.
Están lloviendo de hombres. I don't know. Is that weird though? Anytime I see rain, I think of that song.
It's raining men. Hallelujah, it's raining men. Woo! Sliders! Just kidding. Holy, it's raining so much. I can't talk, there's a bunch of sweethearts in my mouth. The environment though. Look at the scenery, you guys.
Wait.
There's Chuck E. Cheese in the corner again.
I wanna go.
Ooh. Ooh.
Ooga.
Ooh.
Ooh la la.
You can probably hear me crunching the sweethearts.
0.5 miles.
Oh my goodness.
And that church is huge.
That's a nice church. I like it.
Man.
Oh.
Oh, look at that building. It's like all mirrors and shiny.
Look at that.
Holy, that's the building though.
Oh, look, soft serve.
Soft serve ice cream.
You don't see that.
We want ice
In
cream!
1,000 feet, use any lane to take the I-710 north ramp.
Turn left. Is it left or right?
Dang it. Interstate, right?
Oh, okay. I want some ice cream!
Like,
For 3/4 of a mile.
woo-
Whee!
woohoo!
Why do I need this?
This is a fun road right here. Look at
like
this
it.
is a really cool road for an entrance to a freeway.
It is.
Background music right now.
No,
No, like soothing background music. Look at that.
Chocolate!
I want strawberries.
You want chocolate covered strawberries?
I'm craving a lot of things right now. We ate like a couple hours ago and we're like, I want more food. What's wrong with us?
We're fat asses.